In the meantime, things are already getting heated in the Kingston Central constituency after a People's National Party billboard was defaced, allegedly by JLP supporters. General Secretary of the People's National Party, Julian Robinson, says he has written to the political ombudsman for immediate intervention into what he has described as a zero-sum game. Kalisha Williams has that story.
While the island waits for the election date to be called, the People's National Party is already in campaign mode. But this billboard in the Kingston Central constituency is a sign of the times. It was erected just 2 days ago, but by Thursday it was a mess, spray painted with the letters JLP, with the candidate's name blocked out. A clear indication that not everyone is rolling out the red carpet to them.
We're extremely disappointed, and I want to condemn it in the strongest language. The defacing of a billboard that we had placed for our candidates for Kingston, which was in the central Kingston constituency.
General Secretary of the People's National Party, Julian Robinson, said the billboard is part of an island-wide initiative to promote new PNP candidates as the party gets prepared for what seems to be an imminent election announcement. He is worried that if this continues, it could trigger a similar reaction from PNP supporters.
I've written to the political ombudsman to ask for her intervention in this matter because, frankly, this is a zero-sum game. You know, it's very hard to restrain our supporters when they see our boards being defaced, and they are going to want to do likewise when the Labour Party puts up their billboards, and then nobody wins in this scenario. So I find it very unfortunate. It's something that must be condemned. I urge our supporters to remain calm because I know they are very agitated.
While fingers are pointed at Jamaica Labour Party supporters, the JLP candidate for the Central Kingston constituency, Donovan Williams, has a message for persons on both sides of the political divide.
In my capacity as caretaker, JLP caretaker, MP caretaker for the constituency, categorically and unreservedly do not support any such action, and I would ask supporters on both sides to desist from any such action. So far we have had a peaceful campaign in Kingston Central, and we would love to keep it that way.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.